Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily round off corners in Adobe Illustrator CC. So if I just come to Adobe Illustrator, as you can see I have this rectangle here, and we're just going to be rounding the corners off. So the first thing you need to do is you need to select the Direct Selection tool, and then you want to select your shape. Now when you select your shape, you should be able to see these small circles that appear near your anchor points. So if you want to round all of the corners, all you have to do is grab one of these circles and drag it like so, and that will round off all the corners. If you only want to round off specific corners, all you need to do is click on the anchor points that you want to round off. So if you hold down Shift and you click on the anchor points that you want to round off, that will then make these circles appear near the anchor points, and then when you drag the circles, it will just round those points. And if you just want to round a single point, just select the anchor and then click and drag on the circle like so. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.